Hello, my name is Elisa Moran. This is a video showing how to set up the development environment using background. The product owner, Masoud Sadjadi. When you forget your Breeze Desktop API and chat, you have to run background up in the console. If you got an error that says that the port is in use, you have to change the port for another one. Just take a random number and then run background up again. When it's finished, you have to copy this key from the SSH to the end bracket and copy in your repo. Go to setting, add a key and copy in the content and give a name to your key. Then you have to run background plugin install -vvguest. Later you have to type background provision. When it's finished, you have to type background SSH. And check that you have all your folders in the share file. When you check that you have all your folders, you have to run sudo docker compose up-d. And later you can write sudo docker compose ps and later you type localhost 900. And you have your environment set up. In the Breeze desktop, under the folder view, we can find all the HTML files. Also, in the script, we have the controller, the translation folder to be able to translate the pages in English or Spanish, the directive, and in the back end we can find the table related with the project. For example, in the real estate, we have the table for property in the model file. Here's the class property with all the field describing a property, and also we have the class property detail that have more detail of a property. Thank you for watching.